Okay, we are back for our Show Us Your Pipe section of the show. We've got another, quite a doozy winner. Last month we had a real nice install by PSI out in the Colorado area, and we said, wow, this is pretty nice. It's one of the best we've seen. I would say that this is right up there with it. Mr. Price, what do you think?
I agree. We say show us your pipe, and boy, they're showing us quite a bit of pipe in this one. The thing that I really like about this is how neat the runs are, tidy around one another and properly supported, of course. That's a whole other thing. We see a lot of installations with sort of the incorrect supports. You have to use the clamshell style, and of course with our pipe, there is some expansion and contraction, so the galvanized support clamps are the perfect ones, and there's no mistaking that. Oh, we should say, oh, by the way, this is all pro mechanical out of Winnipeg.
Yes,
sorry, with all credit where credit is due, that all pro mechanical are the folks doing this particular installation. And I'm not quite sure what kind of building this is in, but clearly it's in a hotel or a hospital or something with this type of spacious mechanical room. Only exists in that type of setting.
Yeah.
And we're looking at looks to be a pretty big Rheem tanked water heater and a Lars Neotherm in this room, spread out with all of the rest of the stuff, very meticulously planned out. Now,
very clean.
There's a specific lack of diamond plate in this one, but we're gonna live with it.
It was overcome by the sheer precision of the job.
Indeed. One thing I really like to point out is that nice light above it. I mean, you don't really see that. A lot of mechanical rooms, and even ones that even ones that we've liked that are well done, are kind of in a dingy basement type of space that isn't nearly as like you could perform surgery in this mechanical room.
Maybe it is a hospital.
Maybe, yeah. There's a good chance. I mean, we'll have to check in with Dan. These actually came through our Canadian regional sales manager. He said, "Hey, I think I got your winner for November," and he was right.
Yeah.
So
very nice.
I mean, and compliments to the photographer. There's some really nice framed photos that really do highlight the Inaflu pipe that I'm showing on screen right now. That really, I mean, they're just. It's not even of the mechanical room, but they're just nice photos that show
very well composed.
Exactly. So we thank All Pro Mechanical for doing this great work. I mean, this is the kind of stuff. I mean, we're really raising the bar here on this Show Us Your Pipe segment. I mean, especially the last 2 months.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, we've come a long way. This is our 10th winner. We've done one every time except for our initial episode where we kind of introduced the concept, and we've given one each, and it's sort of been an ascent of amazing stuff.
Yep. Every month it's better.
And this one stands with the rest of them. I mean, there's nothing about this isn't professionally done. This is the craftsmanship that we're looking for specifically for this segment. And thus, if you want to be featured on the mechanical room and potentially win some killer swag from the Yield Centrotherm factory outlet store over here, you got to do installs like this. That's just what it comes down to. Installs like All Pro Mechanical out of Winnipeg, Manitoba, the winner for the November Show Us Your Pipe.
And you too can be a craftsman. Just follow the precise job that they do here.
We'll be right back.